Welcome to Baby Care Tips UK, your trusted guide for parenting and baby care. In today's video, we'll explore how to establish a calming bedtime routine for your baby, one that supports healthy sleep and makes nights easier for both you and your little one. 1. Why bedtime routines matter. A consistent bedtime routine helps your baby understand when it's time to sleep. According to the NHS, babies thrive on predictable patterns. It helps them feel secure, calm, and ready to rest. Even simple cues, like dimming the lights or using a soothing voice, can signal bedtime and reduce nighttime fussiness. 2. Setting the right environment first. Prepare the room. Keep the temperature between 16 and 20 degrees Celsius, as recommended by the Lullaby Trust. Dim the lights, close the curtains, and reduce background noise. Consider using white noise or gentle lullabies if your baby finds it soothing. The goal is to create a calm, predictable space that tells your baby, "This is where I rest." 3. Steps for a simple routine. A bedtime routine doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be consistent. Here's a step-by-step example many UK parents use: warm bath or gentle wash, about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Fresh nappy and cozy pajamas, keep your baby comfortable. Quiet feeding, whether breast or bottle, feed in a dimly lit room. Story or lullaby, keep your voice soft and soothing. Cuddles and wind down, gentle rocking or a good night kiss. Put down drowsy, not asleep. This helps babies learn to self-settle. Keep the order the same each night so your baby begins to recognize the pattern. 4. Tips for success. Black tick mark emoji. Start routines around the same time each evening. Black tick mark emoji. Keep bedtime calm. Avoid screens, bright lights, or overstimulating play. Black tick mark emoji. Don't worry if your baby doesn't settle straight away. It takes time for babies to learn the routine. Black tick mark emoji. And remember, newborns may still wake frequently for feeds, which is completely normal. 5. Final reassurance and AMP. Encouragement. Every baby is different, so find what works for your family. The key is consistency and keeping bedtime a calm, positive experience. Over time, your baby will begin to associate these steps with sleep, making evenings smoother and more restful for everyone. Baby emoji. For more trusted baby sleep and care tips, don't forget to subscribe to Baby Care Tips UK and hit the bell icon for weekly support on your parenting journey.